explore with me. Soft swaying palms and light, a brand new day begins. Full of delight. Seagulls are flying high, along the shore they glide. Their wings are painting dreams across the sky so wide. Little walking walks, so curious and bright, discovering the beach, a world of pure delight. Tiny baby turtle, brave and small, struggles to reach the sea, trying not to fall. A big seagull watches, circling in the air. The kitten is coming now, with courage to care. The kitten runs quickly, full of love and might, scares the big seagull